Okay, what did I say? What was if function? बताइए, what was if function? if function क्या था? What was it?
कंडीशन
कंडीशन था to if the condition is true then do what, and if the condition is false then do what. That is what if function is all about, right? How many of you are hearing this if function for the first time in life? First time in life. हाथ खड़ा करो, there is no problem. 2 people, 3, 4, there is no problem. You are from college, right? So, but obviously you are also after college, so, and you all are in the industry already, right? You are all working. So what happens with if function? If it rains, take the umbrella. If it doesn't rain, don't take the umbrella. This is the simple and shortest explanation I can give you for an if function. I'm going to show you the if function. Please look at this blank screen. Equal to if bracket open. Please tell me how many arguments are there. Please tell me. There are 3 arguments. There is logical test, there is value of true, and there is value of false. So what is the logical test? If it rains, what if it is true? Take the umbrella. What if it is false? Don't take the umbrella. That's what the if function is all about. This is ज़्यादा simple और मैं नहीं समझा सकता. अभी आपको ये actually I'm going to work on this database and I'm going to put an if function. Now look at this data. Where you have the employee ID, name, state, metro or non-metro, designation, department, basic, HRA and PA. So all these details are there in front of you. Imagine this is not limited to this much. This could go to 10,000 line items. This could go to 1 lakh line items, right? Tell me, if I say, give all the people who are working in the sales department 15% bonus and rest 0%, what are you going to do? अभी आपको इफ नहीं आता है, अभी आप क्या करते हो ऑफिस में, मेरे को प्लीज बताओ. एग्जैक्टली फिल्टर लगाते हैं यहाँ पर सारे, यहाँ फिल्टर लगाते हैं डिपार्टमेंट में सारे के सारे. मैंने कौन सा बोला था, किसको देना 15%? सेल्स को यहाँ पे लगाते और यहाँ पर फॉर्मूला लगाते इक्वल टू बेसिक मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 15% और उसको कॉपी करके नीचे पेस्ट करते जो भी सेल्स के बाहर आते. उसके बाद क्या करते आप, you would have selected other than the sales and you would have done the formula over here. This is how you do, and believe you me, you are going to make a major mistake in that, because when you do copy paste in a filtered data, पीछे का डेटा जो है वो भी कभी-कभी एडिट हो जाता है. When you are filtering a data and you are putting one formula and you are copying and pasting it at the bottom, जो पीछे hidden cells होते हैं, क्योंकि अगर if every all the sales come in front, rest everything will go at the back end, that is filter ना. तो if you are doing a formula for sales, अगर आप कॉपी पेस्ट करोगे तो पीछे में भी कभी-कभी ऐसा होता है, वो भी चेंज हो जाते हैं. So what are you going to do? You're going to make one formula. You're going to make one formula, and once it is correctly put over here using the if function, you will copy and paste it. It will check each and every department. It is finance, it will go 0. It is marketing, it will go 0. It is sales, 16,500 का 10%, it will be 1650. Are you understanding? HRD कितना? Admin, sales 1,590. Are you getting the trick now? Do you want to do filter still and do that multiplication वाले formulas, or you want to learn this if formula? So if is divided into 3 or 4 different parts. There is something called as normal if. वो जो umbrella वाला भी बताया मैंने. If it rains, take the umbrella. If it doesn't rain, don't take the umbrella. That's called a normal if. Then there is something called as if with and. Then if with or. If with not. And there is something magical called nested if. What is it called? Nested if. What do you mean by nested if?
Multiple conditions.
if के अंदर if एक ही सेल के अंदर मल्टीपल if लगाना. चलिए बताइए कितने if लगा सकते हो एक ही सेल के अंदर. एक ही सेल के अंदर मैं कितने if लगा सकता हूँ बताइए. 1, 2, 3, 20, 25, 50, 100, 150, बताइए सिलेक्ट करने वाला अनलिमिटेड कॉन्सेप्ट कहीं नहीं होता, इफ तो लिमिटेड है। 2007 से पहले there were only 7 ifs allowed in an Excel sheet. How many? 7. When if became more prominent, when people started using it and it became like a major thing in the organizations, they said 7 ifs से कुछ नहीं होता। तो 2007 के बाद उन्होंने कितने if डाल दिए? 64 ifs। एक सेल के अंदर मैं 64 टाइम्स if की कंडीशन लिख सकता हूं, बट वो मैं अभी आपको 64 नहीं दिखाऊंगा, मैं आपको 4 दिखाऊंगा। तो अगर आपको एक समझ में आ गई, 2 समझ में आ गई, 3 समझ में आ गई, 4 समझ में आ गई, तो 5वीं समझाने की जरूरत तो नहीं है ना, फिर तो आप 64 तक भी लिख लोगे सारे। करेक्ट? लेट्स स्टार्ट। व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन? Calculate HRA based on the state of an employee that he belongs to. If the employee is in a metro city, HRA is 50% of basic salary, otherwise 40%. Please tell me who will make the formula. Come on, start. HRA निकालना है, यहाँ HRA निकालना है based on what? Metro और non-metro. Metro को कितना देना है? 50%. Non-metro को कितना देना है? 40% of basic, right? तो metro को ये दे दिया, otherwise 40%. That means non-metro. बनाइए फॉर्मूला जल्दी से। इधर इधर देख के, इधर देख के, इधर देख के। अपना कुछ नहीं करना आपने। Equal to, बोलिए। If है?
then non-metro.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं, non-metro नहीं लिख सकते। You have to give a logical, you have to give a logical test. और वो logical test क्या है? वो logical test है, वो एक सेल बताना है आपको जिसको वो रीड करेगा। यहाँ पर हम कौन से कॉलम को रीड करवा रहे हैं? ई कॉलम को रीड करवा रहे हैं। तो हम कौन से सेल के लिए लिख रहे हैं? हम राज के लिए लिख रहे हैं फॉर्मूला। तो ये E4 के अंदर जो है वो हम लिखेंगे। If E4 is equal to, why inverted commas? Why am I going to write metro in inverted commas? Please somebody tell me. Any time किसी फंक्शन के अंदर अगर अल्फाबेट्स आएगा, in any function, VLOOKUP हो, if lookup हो, conditional if हो, कुछ भी हो, any formula, अगर आपको कभी भी alphabets सर्च करने, not number के लिए कभी भी inverted commas मत डालना, never. If you are finding 200, if E4 is equal to 200, it will not come in inverted commas. Only when if you are finding what? Text. If you are trying to find text in a formula, then it will be within quotes. Okay? If E is equal to this, हाँ जी आपको बताइए, वसीम? Comma. Very good. Why comma? Can anybody tell? वसीम नहीं. Anybody can tell me ये comma क्यों डाला गया? Next argument में जाने के लिए there is a comma here, and if you want to go to the next argument, then there is a comma here. If you don't see, I'm not making you a programmer here. First of all, we should be absolutely clear. This is a part of a little bit of programming, but you are not going to become computer geniuses or computer programmers. नहीं बन रहे हैं यहाँ पर. You are just doing something which is a very simple thing. For example, when you were doing mathematics in your schools, when you were taught polynomials, when you were taught derivatives, when you were taught integration, trigonometry, everything was new to you. But did you do it or not?
Yes.
You did it and you scored well in maths, right? अब I don't know किसका नहीं अच्छे आए. Not getting there. But you had to do it, right? Here also it's the same thing. Once you understand the concept, you do not have to remember again and again, because practice makes a man perfect. Man and a woman. Okay. What's next after comma? If E4 is equal to metro, अगर E4 में metro मिला तो कितना परसेंटेज देना है किसका? 50% देना है किसका? बेसिक का। और बेसिक सेल का रेफरेंस क्या है? H4 multiplied by 50%. Comma. What's next? If it is false, then give how much? हाँ नॉन मेट्रो तो है, but नॉन मेट्रो लिख नहीं सकते यहाँ पे, तो क्या लिखना है यहाँ पे? Please tell me क्या लिखूँ मैं? No, I can't use another if because we are just finishing this if. We are just finishing this if. If E4 is equal to metro, then 50%, otherwise 40%.
Yes.
How to write? Very simple. H4 multiplied by got it? And here goes the bracket closed, and please look at your 50% and 40%. Please look at it. Tell me, did you put any filters over here? कोई filter लगा के काम किया? नहीं. सिर्फ एक formula जो कि अगर if your logic is correct and in the first row only you will have all the correct answers, and total is 1,97,350 the HRA by using a function. Okay, next. Now I will leave it up to you. Calculate DA based on the designation of the employee. DA will be 25% of the basic, otherwise 10%. You'll be able to do it yourself.
Yes.
Please tell me what does it mean, huh?
Let's do it.
Okay, let's do it. Time is of 595. Anybody else with any different answers? Please tell me. TA, dearness allowance.
2550.
Oh boy, 255 0? ये कैसे हो सकता है? Only 2,550. अरे it has to be in lakhs यार. Guys, it cannot be 2,550. Any answers? Because if there are no answers, then only this he will qualify for the chocolate if it is correct. Others will not qualify. Ready? Your answer is Vishal, right? Vishal, 20,595 is your answer. What फिर से बोलो? 51,000. Okay, one more answer I got. Guys, come on. Chocolate. Chocolate, man. Chocolate can do wonders. If I change the Cadbury chocolate to silk chocolate, then I think I would have got more answers. Yes, I am asking for the third total, and this is the final. I am moving on after this. नहीं वो third total दे रहे हैं. 51,000. भाई साहब ये दो आंसर सेम हो गए. 51,000. Very good. हाँ जी. कोई और भी बोल रहा है 51? बस 3 बार हो गया. अब तो भैया लगता है चॉकलेट मिल गई. वसीम भाई को मिल गई. If help me, what did you do?
Designation F4.
Designation F4 is equal to what?
Inverted comma
Manager.
Inverted comma manager
Inverted
comma
H4.
40.
H4 multiplied by
25%.
40%. पक्का 40%.
25.
25%.
Comma.
25%. Comma H4 multiplied by
10%.
कितना?
10%.
One chocolate. Very good. That's all. The first one to give me answer, correct answer. Hey, chocolate is already there. No, not these toffees. Not toffees.
I will arrange next.
Yeah. Next time you give him the chocolate in the next training whenever he comes to facilitate him with the chocolate. नहीं होगा तो मैं next training में दूंगा आपको. Okay. What is nested if, guys? What is nested if?
If under.
If under if. That means एक ही सेल में 2, 3, 4, 5 कितने मैक्सिमम ifs कितने आएंगे?
64.
64 ifs आएंगे. तो अब मेरी बात ध्यान से सुनो. How many of you know what is a tax slab rate? And if somebody doesn't know, I will explain in the entire class. So don't think that you don't know and you put down your hand. नहीं चलेगा ऐसे. If you don't know, raise your hand. Tax slab rate, you don't know. Okay? Anybody else? Tax slab rate. Okay. Once you start earning, you have to pay some tax to the government, right? Your earning could be 10 lakhs, 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs, whatever it may be, right? How does the government know 0 to 7 lakhs, you pay 0% tax. When you fall from 7 lakh 1,000 to 15 lakhs or 20 lakhs, you pay 10%. Then there is the next slab rate 20%, and then there is a 30%. So there are these tax slab rates. Once you go above 30 lakhs, you have to pay 30% of your annual salary. Is that correct? All of you, tax slab rate समझ में आ गया?
Yes.
Now listen to this very carefully. What we are going to do now. Please read this question very carefully. Calculate the tax if the gross salary. We will not make this gross salary because most of you will get confused with gross salary. Anybody can tell me what is the gross salary? कोई बता सकता है what is gross salary?
For calculation of the tax.
हाँ, before the calculation, but how do you make it? Basic HRA plus DA gives you gross salary. This makes sense? This makes sense? हो गया? 6,38,000. Is it easier for you not to understand? What are we going to do? Calculate the tax if the gross salary is less than 25,000. Yeah, what does this less than 25,000 mean? Where does it start from then? Where does it start? Slab rate start from where? Where does the slab rate start from? Where does the counting in mathematics start from?
Zero.
Thank you very much. So 0 to 25,000 का मतलब है less than 25,000 means 0 to 25,000. If you fall under this gross salary falls under less than 25,000, how much tax that person has to pay to the government? If the salary is between 25,001 till 45,000, how much tax he has to pay? Now do you understand this chart?
Yes.
So tell me how many slab rates are there?
Five.
So how many if functions do you use?
Five.
यही सुनना. That's absolutely wrong.
4.
6. 4 कौन बोला? You said absolutely correct. Why 4? Try to understand. If he falls under this category, then give 5%. If he falls under this category, then give him 10%. If he falls under this category, give him 20%. कितने हो गए? 3. If he falls under this category, give him 30%. Now you will not start another if. You will say rest जितने भी बचे उनका तो 30% ही होगा ना? 40%. उनका तो 40% ही कटेगा. So you will not put the if for the last one. So how do you do that? First you always make a slab rate. Then you count how many slabs are there, and then you subtract one out of it, and then you will come to know how many. अगर आपको ये calculation नहीं आती है, अगर आप ये नहीं करोगे, if you don't do this calculation, you will make a mistake. You will continue writing ifs and ifs, and you will never see a full stop. You will never come to a full stop. You will never come to a conclusion because your if is just continuing and continuing. So rest everything falls under the 40% bracket. Now I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay? Don't copy, don't do anything. I'm making it big so that all of you understand now. What is the formula? Equal to if gross salary is less than 25,000. So that means 0 to 25,000. How are we going to write? Equal to if this cell is less than equal to 25,000. इसको मैंने अब ब्रैकेट में क्यों नहीं लिखा? Why there are no inverted commas start and inverted commas close? Simple. Very intelligent. If K4 is less than or equal to 25,000, how much percentage to be taken away from their salary? 5% of what? हम लोग ग्रॉस को देख रहे थे, हम लोग बेसिक को देख रहे थे. What is the question? Please read. If the basic salary is less than 25,000 या gross salary is less than 25,000?
Gross salary.
तो किसका देना परसेंटेज? आगे सेंटेंस पढ़ो. Read the sentence in your. If it is less than or equal to 25,000, give 5% of what? पक्का ग्रॉस ही लिखा है ना? अरे नो बोल रहे, हाँ बोल रहे थे. मुझे कंफ्यूज मत करो यार. रुको यार, मैं देख रहा हूँ. Calculate tax if the gross salary is less than or equal to 10, then tax is 5%. अच्छा यहाँ लिखा नहीं है of what, right? लिखा ही नहीं. तो कोई बात नहीं, we will take it of gross salary. Okay? Ready? Gross salary again is in this. कितना multiplied by 5%. Next, what to do now? What if value is false? Are we going to close it by giving the 10% and then bracket close कर दें? Should we close the if or shall we keep it continued?
Keep it coming.
Very good. If bracket open, what to do now? Again, this cell is less than or equal to बताओ next elaborate का high end क्या था?
25,000 to 45.
25,001 से लेके कहाँ तक था? 41,000, 45,000. तो आप यहाँ लिखोगे equal to or less than 45,000. Then comma, what percentage are you going to take away from them?
10%.
This multiplied by 10%. Comma, what are you going to do after this? If
Bracket 1 K4.
bracket close, same K4 is less than or equal to what is the next?
60,000 1 to 8,000.
9, 60,000. 60,000. ठीक है, comma, how much percentage of K4? How much?
80,000.
है?
The percentage.
K4 multiplied by how much percentage? 20%. Comma, if again K4 is less than or equal to 80,000, then how much? K4 multiplied by? Very good. And now start another if. क्या हो गया? Guys, please count how many ifs you have completed.
4.
And how many ifs were you supposed to give here?
4.
Because how many tax elaborates were there?
5.
तो हो गया ना खत्म. तो जो अब बाकी बचा वो सबको 40% पे ले जाओ. So K4 multiplied by guys, tell me one thing. ये ब्रैकेट कितने क्लोज होंगे? How many brackets should we close here? 4. Why 4? There are 4. Okay. From now onwards, you don't have to do any counting. You don't have to do anything. You please look at the screen and look at the colors of the brackets. It is green. What will be the next bracket's color? It will be purple. Next will be and the last will be. That's when you stop. And you don't have to count any 3 hai, 4 hai. You will never be counting that. Look at it. Look at it. The moment you get the black bracket, that means you have come to the big bracket and you have closed everything correctly. Are you getting these things? Tomorrow you're going to write more big ifs, right? You're going to write 10, 15 big ifs. Are you going to count हमने कितने किए हैं? You don't have to count. You just have to come to the black bracket. The last should be the black bracket, and there it is, 2,790, and here you go. Got it, guys?
Yes.
Okay. Now we are left with 2 ifs, if with and if with or, and we are left with VLOOKUP and index match. करना है continue. Everybody please. All with me. You want to do continue. Done. Vishal. You want to be a part of it, you can just stay there. You can. If you have a meeting, then I want to know meeting. अच्छा सब कुछ ऊपर से जाएगा. But ये चलो एक काम करते हैं. If को छोड़ दे सीधा VLOOKUP में चलते हैं. वो करें? चलो. Everybody is okay with that?
Yes.
If with and if with or is something. Once you please be proficient in these if functions and nested if functions. Once you become expert in that, then I will teach you if with and if with or. ठीक है? We will see how to